What's up y'all, my name's Jesse with Greatt Builds, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily build your own cedar shutters. The tools you will need for this build includes a tape measure, pencil, square, wood glue, a brad nailer, and some type of saw. Material wise, all you will need is 5 pickets per shutter. First you will grab 3 full-length boards and measure out 67 inches on each one. This will be the total length of the shutter for a standard 60-inch window with 1x4 trim. You can use a wide range of saws to make this cut, including your circular saw, miter saw, and a table saw. Now, measure the width of the 30 boards together to make sure all 3 measurements equal to 16.5 inches. My boards had some bow in them, so I'll have to use some clamps later on to keep them straight. Next, grab a 4th board and measure 3 inches from the side. This will be the dimension for your vertical rails on each side of the shutter. You can use a straight edge to draw the rip cut line. If you're using a table saw, grab a scrap cut to make your blade height just above the wood. For this cut, you can also just use a circular saw to rip the board in half. You will be cutting 2 full-length boards at this measurement for both side rails of the shutter, and the remaining part of the picket will be used for the horizontal boards. If you haven't already, cut the vertical rails at 67 inches so that it is flush with the back panels. Next, you'll check the center rail measurements and be sure that they are 10.5 inches. If your boards are bowed at all, this measurement may vary. Now you can grab the leftover rip cuts from the pickets and use them for your horizontal rails. You can cut at least 6 of these 10.5 inch boards to be able to use them on the second shutter. Once they're all cut out, measure out 33.5 inches to get your middle board perfectly centered. Now you'll grab some wood glue and place it on the back side of the vertical rails. Be sure to put a good amount on both. Once they are glued up, grab the brad nailer and use 1-inch nails to attach the vertical boards. If your back panels have any bow to them, you may need to use some clamps like I did to keep the shutters nice and straight. Be sure to add plenty of brad nails to each board, as this and the glue is all that will be holding together your shutters. Once everything is all nailed up, grab a sander to knock off any loose or rough parts of the boards, as cedar tends to have some stray wood hairs fraying off the boards. After this, you're all finished up with your first cedar shutter. Now, I'll show you how easily these shutters can be batched out with making your cuts in bulk. Most of the time, you will be making at least 2 or more of these shutters for your house, so get as many of these cuts done as possible will help these go by a lot faster. And here's how they will look when they're all finished up. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing as I'll be adding a lot more fun DIY project videos in the future. Thanks again for watching. Take care!